Alright, looking at the original GreenPan here. I'm doing a kitchen review on my desk. And it comes with an egg set. Or it is an egg set, I guess. It's pretty nice. Nice pan, little silicone egg holders. Kind of cool. Put those over here. Some instructions, probably cleaning instructions. Another egg little holder. Comes with a spatula. Silicone spatula. A little dirty. Alright. And it's like aluminum. So it says here, Magento induction technology. All heat sources, including induction. Oh, that's nice. It does have a little bit of a rough surface on the bottom, though, so I don't know that I'd go scraping that on glass. Pretty nice, though. It's really light. It's super light. And comes with a nice little lid. I'm gonna go ahead and use this tonight, actually, and probably not for eggs. We'll see how it turns out. Stay tuned.